This is the Arrowhead brass PK2008SP stem assembly. Now this stem is for the 420 series. Now with the SP versions, those are made for faucets before 1999. Now the package will come complete with the full stem assembly itself, the packing gland, the rod, and the check assembly. It'll also come with a list of instructions right here, as you can see. Now with some measurements, we're going to measure from the very bottom to the very top of the stem. And you can see it measures right at about 12 inches. Now once again, this is the Arrowhead PK2008SP stem assembly.